What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle from Techademics, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and use IGTV. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to your App Store, and you want to make sure that Instagram is up to date by typing in Instagram, and then there should be an update button if it says open, and then it should already be up to date. So once you've updated Instagram, you want to go to your Instagram application, and then in the top right hand corner there should be an IGTV symbol. In this case I have, and then you just want to click on it, and then it's going to walk you through a welcome process, so you can watch the video if you want to. There's also an IGTV app that you can download, which I have right now, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. So once you've signed into IGTV, you then want to click on your little logo, and then it'll say create channel. You then just want to click next 3 times, and it's basically going to guide you through what IGTV is, and then click create channel. So once you've created your channel, you can then basically browse through all of the videos that have already been uploaded. So on the For You tab, this is basically all of the videos that are suggested to you. You then got the Following tab, which is basically all the videos uploaded by the people that you're following, of course. Popular, which is obviously the most popular videos around the world, the most viewed videos. And then Continue Watching is basically videos that you can resume watching from your previous session. So in order to actually upload to IGTV, what you want to do is click on your little logo again. This is going to bring you to your profile, and then you want to click on the plus logo, and your video must be between 15 seconds and 10 minutes long. So I'm going to go ahead and upload a video that I created a long time ago, which is basically a time lapse of some fishes. And then I'm going to go ahead and click next, and you can basically edit the title, description, and you can also edit the cover as well, which is great. So I'm going to call this time lapse. And you can also share it on Facebook if you want to. In this case I'm not going to do that right now, and then I'm going to go ahead and click post. So depending on your internet speed, this can vary from a few seconds to a couple of minutes, but that is basically how you upload on IGTV. So here, as you can see, my first video has been created on my IGTV profile, and people can view this and discover me as always. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. Don't forget to subscribe to see more useful videos like this, and thank you for watching.